baby. It's a baby on the way.
Yeah, so I got done one of my bucket list log flume credits.
So right. You can't even
I can't even say log flume. I'm freezing. It's ice water, but Chiapas is definitely maybe the top one. Yeah, it might be the best log flume in the world.
It's kind of like water coaster-ishness though, too.
Yeah. Airtime.
Backwards.
See, this one here didn't even make it back. That's how wild it is.
Golden dragon?
Is that a golden dragon over there?
Yep.
They have some kind of IP, and I can't remember what it is.
Just bear in mind, if you go to ride F.L.Y, the queue is 8,000 miles long. So it takes you about a half an hour just to get in the line. The line is about 5 minutes long, but the queue is about 6 years long. Here we are, approaching the end.
The upward launch is cool. I don't know, that's what we're starting with.
F.L.Y was totally awesome. It was like nothing I've ever experienced. There was a flying airtime sensation, which was kind of bananas. There was a dark ride portion at the beginning of the ride, which nobody talks about. That was really, really cool as well. So definitely a great way to start the day. It can only go up from here.
Because it's called F.L.Y. I get what you did there. But that's probably the only hanging coaster I've actually truly enjoyed. You ready?
I'm graceful.
Okay.
Don't kill yourself. Got a little bratwurst, and it's about $8.50 for the bratwurst and the water. 850 euros, which is decent because the euro is stronger than the dollar, so it costs us more. But the food prices really aren't that bad, so that's kind of awesome. There's my sausage. We rode WINJAS and it was like crazy good. It was totally unexpected. It's not like your average family coaster.
No, not at all.
Yeah, it was really good. What'd you think?
It was cute. A lot of spinning.
Yeah, it was it was a lot of spin.
A lot of bouncy too.
Yeah, there's like drop tracks and a lot of surprise elements. Definitely underrated.
Yeah.
So I'm freezing cold, but I'm gonna ride Chiapas. because I didn't fly all the way to Europe not to ride Chiapas. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh, the baby. Is the baby all wet?
I got done one of my bucket list log flume credits.
You're so wet, you can't even
I can't even say log flume. I'm freezing. It's ice water, but Chiapas is definitely maybe the top one. It might be the best log flume in the world.
It's like water coasters too.
Yeah. Airtime.
Backwards.
See, this one here didn't even make it back. That's how wild it is. It was fun.
Taron was crazy good. We all liked it.
I loved it.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The second launch up into the cave, for sure.
Yeah.
A little vroom vroom. I love a rolling launch.
It throws you. It throws you left and right. You feel like you're gonna come out of the seat again.
Yeah, it's really crazy. And the theming, oh my god, the theming. And how the track just interacts with itself so many times. It's like unbelievable.
It feels like maybe it was kind of an inspiration for Velocicoaster.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, for sure. The theming here at Phantasialand is top notch. Like, we're in this Mexico section and Rookburg is right around the corner, and the transitions are perfectly seamless. It's like, it's amazing. Like, I've never been to a place like this outside of a Disney park. Shut up. That was funny to you?
Yeah.
So, this Vekoma family boomerang that they have here is very cutesy, very demure.
Very mindful.
Very mindful. Oh, there she is. Yo, what the is Mystery Castle? Like, I don't even want to talk about this ride. If you know, you know. Cause it was terrifying.
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Yeah, like,
Gave you the shot.
what came first, the castle or the ride? I wonder. Like and put in the comment what was here first. If you know anything about Phantasialand, was it something else before it was a ride?
Willkommen, meine Hochzeitsgäste. Heute werde ich endlich heiraten. Finally, I am getting married today.
Every area here is so well themed. We just rode Chinese Haunted Mansion, and now we're gonna
ride Chinese Haunted
We did, and now we're gonna ride Michael Jackson.
Oh Lord. Don't say it like that.
Well, this roller coaster used to be called the Michael Jackson Colorado Express, and it might still be called Michael Jackson. I don't really know, but we're gonna ride Michael Jackson.
Okay.
It sounds like a broken record, but everything we ride here, we're like, oh, that was really, really good. Everything here is good. Like,
I think they go the extra mile with every ride here.
the theming is crazy. Like, the atmosphere, the rides, it's just super smooth. Not being in Africa while being in Germany. If you can afford it, you can actually stay in the park. There's literally a hotel right here that allows guests to enter before the park opens and after hours. Right into this Rookburg section. You can ride F.L.Y all night. I'm not sure how late it stays open, but it's pretty cool. I really hope you all enjoyed this trip to Phantasialand as much as we did. I can't believe we finally made it.
I've been wanting to come here for years.
Yeah, I mean, you know, if you're in town, you gotta stop by.
Yeah, of course. Germany has some of the best parks and the best coasters so far. So I'm really excited. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see what we do at Efteling. All right, or I'm not continuing this series.
All right.
All right.